Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Nana. So today I'm taking you along with me on an incredible journey from Kigali to Gisenyi in Rubavu, where my friends and I had the best time ever, relaxed and just enjoyed the life. Oh my god. So before I start my vlog, I want you to forgive me for being late. I know some of you were texting me, asking me about this vlog, but because of changing climate, I got sick. I had flu and I was sneezing, which was terrible. So I was unable to narrate it. So let's begin. The day started early. I woke up, got ready, and grabbed the motorbike to Nyabugogo to meet up with my friends. And I was actually the first one there. So I had a bit of time to chill and wait for everyone else to arrive. Yeah. So once we were all together, we hit the road for Gisenyi, and let me tell you, the views were breathtaking. Yeah, they were stunning, they were amazing. Hey, oh my god. Yeah, and then we passed through Rulindo district, which was the first stop after leaving Kigali, and that district is located in northern province of Rwanda. Though it was just stunning with its mountains everywhere. Yeah, and one of my friend, I think, was her first time to go there in northern province. Yeah, I can't mention her, but she know herself. Yeah, my friends were so excited to catch up, especially since this was my first time seeing them after returning from Kenya. They were super curious about my time in jungle, and I told them about the time a buffalo almost charged at me. Yeah, it was a real story, not a joke. Yeah, it's not a joke. Yeah, so I'm grateful that I'm still alive. Yeah. As we continued, we stopped at Kwanyirangarama for some snacks, but with Marburg virus precautions, we had to wash our hands before going in. And after that quick stop, we passed through Gisenyi district, and it's also located in northern province. So you first move, from Kigali, the first district was Rulindo, and the second from Rulindo is Gisenyi district. Yeah, and then after that we reached Musanze district, and where the weather was just perfect. Actually, it was perfect at the moment, but maybe for some time, yeah, it's changed. Yeah. The scenery was amazing, as I told you, it was perfect. But the moment we left Musanze and entered Nyabihu, the weather shifted. My God. Hey. It was, as you can see, it was not good. It was not good. And I got gloomy, like it was about to rain. And we passed through the famous Ibere rya Bigogwe. Ibere rya Bigogwe, I can translate. Actually, Ibere rya Bigogwe means the breast of Bigogwe. And there is another school which is called Rwanda Coding Academy. Yeah, which is for these students who are wise. Yeah, the intelligent one. Yeah, they select them to go to study at that school. Is so nice. So these are the things we have seen before we arrived in Rubavu, which was our destination. Yeah, and guess what? Our first stop was kwa Nyanja in Rubavu. Yeah, it's called kwa Nyanja, and where the fresh air from the Lake Kivu was just what we needed, and the lake view was absolutely breathtaking. And also we took some pictures and ordered fish, chips and salad. Yeah, we ordered those food, and while we were waiting for the food, we walked along the beach, and the sound of the water was so calming. Yeah, I honestly felt like I could stay there forever. Yeah, to be honest. And then when the food was ready, we went upstairs to eat. Oh my God. The fish was so delicious, and the chips and the salad were perfect. Hell, everything were like perfect. They were nice. They were delicious. Yeah, and then we paid the bill after eating, and we decided to head to another beach. They told us, yeah, the view was nice, as you can see. Can't you see, guys? Can't you see? This place was so nice. It was really nice. And now here there is where things got a little tricky. Actually, we had planned to stop at a guest house in town to change into our beach clothes, but it was getting late, so we decided to just enjoy the beach in our regular clothes. Yeah, so lesson learned for the next time, right? But it didn't matter. We had so much fun. Yeah, and the sunset on the way to the beach was magical. When we arrived, people were out there playing sports, and some were swimming in the lake, and everything was just so lively. Yeah. And then there is this guy came over and convinced us to go on a boat ride. And at the first we were not sure about it, but because we didn't have our beach clothes, that's why. But he promised us the evening views of the lake were worth it, so we jumped in the boat. Yeah, and the boat it was so amazing. Yeah, it was so amazing. And the guide told us stories about the area, like how it was once a fishing spot for a king. Yeah, which was amazing. Then we even got to see the border with Congo. He just pointed Goma. It's Goma town or Goma city. Yeah, one of it. He pointed one, and we saw it when we were in the boat ride. Yeah, and we also passed the public beach, which was really nice. Yeah, and Serena Hotel. Yeah, there is Serena Hotel. Actually, Many people knows that Serena Hotel is in Kigali only, but in Rubavu you can get it. There is another Serena Hotel near Lake Kivu beach. Yeah. And it was so beautiful by the lake. Yeah. And then we saw something really cool. The junction of Lake Kivu and Sebeya river. You will see it where one of side of the water is clear and the other side is muddy, and it's so unusual. Yeah, it was so funny to see it. And then we ended the boat ride near the hydro power plant. Yeah, and by then it was getting dark, and the night view with all the rides around the beach was stunning. And we also took a bunch of pictures and videos before heading back to the guest house to rest for the night. Yeah, it was so cool. It was amazing. Then the next morning, we had a lovely breakfast and made a stop at Unama. If you have gone there in Rubavu, yeah, you can, yeah, you know it. I think everyone knows Unama. There is Unama 1 and Unama 2. Yeah. So this place is where you can get high quality of second-hand clothes and shoes at affordable prices. For real, you can get best qualities. Yeah, but not every day. Okay, maybe depends, but as we got nice clothes and shoes from there. And then we picked up some cool stuffs before starting our journey back to Kigali. So yeah, that was I may say that it was the end of it. Yeah. And I may say that it was a long trip, but it was so worth it. And I hope you enjoyed coming along with me, yeah, for this adventure. And I would like to say that don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more fun travels, and just stay tuned for next video. Bye. Hi.